Today I will be making a spoon from a piece of what is this stuff called? Piece of this metal, whatever it's called. Start of it. Start of the spoon. Now it's actually starting to look like kind of like some sort of teaspoon. Still fairly thick though for, you know, end result. So what I'm doing is just trying to make a bowl. So I'm just moving it like this in a motion, trying to create that, you know, that curve in the spoon so it can actually hold stuff and act as a spoon. Then what I'm going to do is just take this actually, and then I didn't do this last time, but I'm just going to put it right there. Just hammer it in there. And then there we go. Nice. Okay, cool. There, took a shortcut and it actually managed to work out. Now, just gotta cut it somewhere where I want it to be. Then after that, it's just making the handle look pretty. So, I made a little hardy bowl piece from a railroad spike. Okay, for this step, you're gonna need 2 pairs of tongs or pliers. Getting fancy and putting a twist in, literally. Yep. There we go. A little bit more, I think. Yep. Okay, cool. Can be done as you like, or if you don't even want one, it's not like you have to do one. I just want to make it look a little more fancy, I guess. So now after that, because it's still somewhat red, somewhat hot, just gonna go ahead and do a really rough mark. I actually messed up, but this piece I'm not selling to anybody. So Doesn't really matter. Okay, now it's hot. Okay, now let's see where it's hitting. So I'm just gonna kind of feel along. There it is. Okay. Then once it's most of the way through, like so, I'm just gonna take it and then just work it off. Then take the extra steel, do whatever you want with it. Personally, I like to just throw it in some cold water. Done. There you go. You have the basis of a spoon. I'm going to do some touch-up work on it, just to make it look a little bit nicer. Then, because the handle actually is still really, really thick, I'm going to throw it back in the furnace or forge. I'm going to elongate the handle. Okay, so for this step, it actually is probably going to end up messing up the twist I put in it, but I'm okay with that. A little bit better of a grip. There we go. So it seems like it actually ended up flattening out a smidge. So I'm just gonna do it cold, or I guess technically still really hot, but it's black. So. Just gonna hit a little bit more. There we go. We now are almost done. Now is the part where it's really just up to you. Whatever you want to do with it. You can keep it as is. You can shiny it up. Anything you want. Personally, I'm going to grind down the, seemingly really rigid edges, make it more of a spoon-like looking thing. And yeah, that is it.